we have come for a COVID test, which we have to do now because we've met somebody who's COVID positive. So just for our safety check, we thought, you know, why not just get tested. So let me show you guys where we are, and I think this is the most amazing part about Dubai. The convenience that we have here in the UAE, I don't think you can see that in a lot of countries. I mean, we're literally sitting in the comfort of our cars, getting tested and going back home. This year, right, we've all kind of taken it with a pinch of salt and are okay with whatever comes our way. No big expectations and no disappointments either if certain things don't go our way. So let's just hope and pray that 2021 is gonna be a far better year for all of us, for all of humanity. Yeah, that's basically been it. Apart from that, I've been really busy with BB, considering December, and you know, all that happens in this festive season. We obviously had a lot of different plans. We're trying to execute a lot of different things, working on getting a PR team on board, like I told you guys. So just lots at the moment. Hi everybody, how are you all doing? We are doing well, and we have an interesting update to share with you all. So Varun and I have tested COVID positive, and I can't believe we're actually saying this, because you know, it's one of those things that you keep hearing from everyone, that this person tested, and obviously in the recent times it was getting closer to home because a lot of people that you know directly were testing positive. We are not doing so bad. Our symptoms have been manageable, or at least we'd like to think so, because I think there's no point of like stressing about it. It's been, the first 2 days were really difficult, because actually the first day mainly because we couldn't get out of bed and we didn't know what was happening, and we hadn't gotten our results, but we understood that okay, I think this is, you know, we are COVID, we've got the symptoms, because your body genuinely feels like somebody has thrown something at you like of 40-50 kgs, and you're not able to lift yourself up, and the pain is to your bones. That's how we felt, right? But the reason I'm describing this is because that was only the initial few days, initial day or two, and then after that, I think if you keep a positive mindset, and of course this is not to say that if you keep a negative mindset it's going to worsen. I don't know, everybody has their own journey and their own feeling and their own symptoms, but I think Varun and I try to be really positive about this. But I just want to let you guys know that I want to share this COVID quarantine with you all. So this is the steam that we've gotten. This is actually the nasal part of it, so it kind of focuses mainly on if you want to steam on that side. And then one thing, give me the face one. This is the face part of it, which kind of focuses on your full face. It's very basic, it's like a tabletop steamer, but I think it does the job. And now let me show you guys our little medicine vitamin COVID corner. So I was taking these effervescent tablets for C and zinc, but obviously effervescent has a lot of aspartame, a lot of sugar free, which isn't good for you. Yeah, so that's the 1000 mg vitamin C. And then we're taking vitamin D, 10,000 IU. Yeah, this is a zinc that we're taking, 50 mg zinc. So please try and get this as well. These are the must items that you should have. And then we take our omega-3 from MyProtein. So they suggest 3, but we take 2 before dinner. And then I take B12. And guys, say hello for the coming up birthday of Mr. The Asar. Are you excited, Varun?
Yes.
You get to spend this birthday only with me. So lucky. Cuto, so happy, right? Varun?
Yes.
So happy.
Don't mention this.
Varun?
Best birthday gift ever.
Okay, so we were discussing about, guys, we were discussing about how I had Varun's birthday gift planned, but because of this situation, we can't do
Look
what
at
we
how
were supposed
pale
to
I
do.
look. You know who looks pale when they're unwell? Bebo, Varun. Varun, Bebo. Red nose.
Bebo aka Kareena Kapoor, guys, he is a big Kareena
Bright
Kapoor fan.
white face.
My ears are hurting. Shout out to Pooja and Abhishek who watch our
On their
videos
78
on their
family.
massive TV screen. I feel like I'm in the US because I'm wearing my Michigan track pants. I'm wearing these really cute, cozy socks.
Wow, we learned to exercise.
Varun, I can still do it without my legs, without my hands. See? Hands are in the air.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Hold it.
Hold my leg.
No, hold that position. That's the main thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, you're falling.
What is that? I'm not. I'm doing it so well.
You want to see mine? 20 seconds. Come.
Put your leg up. Put your leg up.
The physics of the biology of the chemistry. Okay.
I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and